She said she's taking us home, but we're out at sea, guys. Bye. Wagwan squad. Hi babe. What are we doing? Where? It's gotten a little overcast now. It's unfortunate it's not as sunny and bright as it was, but we're still in beautiful Jamaica. Yeah. Guys, we've actually paddled to the river.
That's the river. We're gonna try and make it up.
Yeah, heavy.
Dave's is pulling us up the current.
I can't.
Try, you haven't tried. Do it for the squad.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Woo! This is fun. This is fun. Keep going. Woohoo! We're getting a workout. Look at my strong man.
Well, we'll work on the laugh.
Paddling.
Learn on the little short arms that do all the work, guys.
Facts.
Hey babe,
Hey,
what do you think?
I love it.
Oh, good, cause we're never doing this again.
Bruh.
I'm so tired. Oh, Jaja. What you want to do?
You jump in and then I'll come.
So we're both in it?
Yeah, but you go first.
Okay. She gonna leave me. Alright, guys. How beautiful? How beautiful? Who's getting married to you?
You.
Who's marrying you? You said yes to the dress. We picked our location. The date. We're getting married this year, guys. I will make a vlog. And guys, I have some funny pieces in the speech there for you. I can't make it in advance. She's giving me the side eye. I have some good parts for the speech, so don't worry about it at all. You guys can feel like you're just there, right there with us. Guys, shall I go for a dip?
Yep.
Bye. This is it. You want to come back up there too? Really? Bad mind is a disease. Oh, I can't make it back to Lauren with the current. Let's try again though. Bombo. No. One last try.
Swim, swim, swim.
Where you like rafting the best?
I love all of them. They're all different. This is a shorter version. I like all the rafting.
Which one is the best? Give an answer.
40 is probably the longest, but I like 40.
Alright, Lauren says Ochi is the best, so
No.
Lauren is wrong.
I like 40s rafting.
I didn't say they're bad.
You're saying 40 is best?
I think Port is the best.
Yeah.
I think Port is the best.
Alright, we're gonna head back down.
Yeah.
Woo! Bye bye. Bye bye.
Come on, big up.
Woo! This is a pretty raft. Pretty. I love the flowers on the flag. Nice. Going downstream is so fun. You don't have to do any work. Rafters end. Calypso rafting. This is calypso rafting, everybody. Hi.
Like a chauffeur?
Yes.
Okay, I love you.
No potholes.
No, not on here.
Love you, squad.
Big up, squad.
I'm gonna keep talking to the squad so I don't have to pass.
Fine.
Jokes. Bye, squad.
Guys, we're out in the open ocean, trying to get back to the house. We'll take a break. We'll put the missus to work. Oh, go there, Mrs. Leckler. Yes, Mrs. Leckler. Paddle the boat. Tell the squad hi. Miss Leckler. What? Well, you're not doing well because you're paddling out to sea. She said she's taking us home, but we're out at sea, guys. Mrs. Leckler, why you look like you stopped? Paddle! Paddle! Alright guys, she's recruited me back to work. Big up squad, it was a fun adventure with you guys. Short, sweet, and I'm out.